mga masters! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung sama kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, syempre hayaan niyo muna akong batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome po sa ating Master Worm Health Trivias. Bago pa tayo magsimula ay hingin ko muna ang inyong thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel Master Worm for more updated contents. At sana po ay naka-full bell notification po kayo para always kayong updated sa aking channel. So let's start again. We have a new topic and mas maganda yung topic natin ngayon mga masters. It's about the air fryer versus deep frying. Yun, is air frying really healthier? Sino ba sa inyo dito yung familiar na po sa bagong technology ngayon na tinatawag na air fryer? And sa mga hindi pa po, sit back and relax at tayo po ay mag-compare sa mga benefits at mga pros and cons ng both deep frying and air frying. And we're not promoting any brands here, so this is not a sponsored content. The eternal quest for crispy golden brown food without the guilt of consuming excessive oil has led to the rise of air fryers as a popular alternative to deep fryers. Ayun po, di ba? Sa atin po, especially sa mga restaurants or sa bahay lang naman natin mismo, we wanted to have like golden brown crispy, especially sa mga fried chicken at french fries. Ayun, so, syempre, yung they're trying to invent stuff kung paano po ito magiging more healthy and less oil. So dito po nanggagaling po yung concept about air frying. Ang tanong, is air frying really healthier than deep frying? Mas healthy ba talaga ang paggagamit ng air fryer compared po sa deep frying? Ayun, ito yung ating tanong at sasagutin po ito natin as we go along. And di ba, yung technique po, paano maging crispy po at golden brown yung mga pagkain, lalo na po yung mga fried chicken at french fries, is deep frying talaga yung conventional na technique po dyan. So let's understand what is the process of what we call deep frying. So deep frying is the cooking method that involves submerging food in hot oil, typically between 165 degrees Celsius and 190 degrees Celsius. So conversion po sa Fahrenheit is 325 and 375. And the food is cooked by the heat from the oil. So kailangan po siyang nakasubmerge talaga kasi lulutuin siya through the heat, yung init ng mantika na nakaboil talaga po yung kumukulo yung mantika dyan, which crisps the exterior and cooks the interior. So ibig sabihin, dahil po sa process na ito na nakasubmerge po yung pagkain na linuluto, yung loob niya po ay maluluto po siya at the same time yung sa labas po ay magiging crispy. So it requires a lot of oil and the food that is being cooked should be submerged on a deep amount of oil. And deep frying is a popular method for cooking a variety of foods. Ayun po french fries, chicken wings, donuts, at marami pa po mga masters, marami pa po mga pagkain na dinidip fry. Pero ito po yung mga very common, di ba? So, sino ba sa inyo dyan ang mahilig sa french fries, chicken wings, and donuts? Yan po, deep fry po yung process na ginagamit dyan para ito'y maluto. However, deep frying has some significant drawbacks. The high temperatures and oil used in deep frying can lead to formation of unhealthy compounds. Ayan po siya. So, dahil po sa deep frying and siyempre sa oras at sa temperature na ginagamit natin dyan, sa kung gaano po siya katagal sa mantika, it can harm or it can create unhealthy compounds na tinatawag po silang acrylamide and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons or PAHs. Siyempre, carbons po ay sunog po yan. Yan po yung ating uling. And they are linked to increased risk of cancer and other health problems. Delikado pala ito po para sa ating deep frying. Pag nag-deep fry tayo at nasunog po siya, Lalo na pat kinakain po natin yung sunog na part. And mga masters, please bear in mind, na-discuss ko na po ito last time. Matagal na po natin na-discuss po ito about eating burned parts of the food. So ito po, pag na-burn ng food at ito po yung kinain nyo, it's like smoking 600 cigarettes all at once. Ang bigat niyan mga masters, no? Kinain mo lang po yung mga sunog na bahagi ng pagkain, parang nanigrilyo ka na po ng 600 sigarilyo. So, iwasan po talaga natin. Masarap po siya, aminin po natin. The burnt part of the food is one of the most delicious part of the food, but it is very dangerous. And deep frying is not only a potential health risk, but is also a safety hazard. So, delikado po siya sa ating safety because hot oil can cause serious burns, and the risk is the risk natin sa apoy or fires is high when working with deep fryers. Ayun po, at tandaan po natin, please always be alert if you're using or if you are doing deep frying because you are very, very at high risk of fire and burns. And let's admit that deep frying can be messy and time consuming. Makikita niyo po yung inyong mga kapag katapos nyo pong magluto, nako, marami po kayong lilinisan, di ba? Grabe talaga siya. And of course, time-consuming din po, requiring careful monitoring of the oil temperature. So, ang gamit po dyan is, tinatawag po nila, is deep fry oil thermometer. Di ba? Kasi there are specific meats and there are specific foods that they should be cooked or deep fried using a specific controlled temperature. So, kailangan talaga tama yung iyong temperatura ng iyong oil. Alright mga masters, let's proceed po sa air fryer. Ito po ay healthier alternative. So, on the other hand, air fryers use little or no oil to cook food. Pwede pa kayong gumamit ng oil or pwede pong wala ng oil. Instead, they rely on hot air circulation. Mainit po yung hangin na nag-circulate sa loob to crisp the exterior para maging malutong po yung sa labas ng pagkain and cook the interior of the food. So maluluto po sa loob ng pagkain na hindi po siya masusunog. And they call this technology as the rapid air technology or the hot air frying. O diba? Mas wala tayong apoy na ginagamit na dito. Yun na po yung rapid air technology or hot air frying na po, which is the latest technology na concept po ng air fryers. So, air fryers work by circulating hot air around food using fan. Ayun po, may fan po siya sa loob. And this hot air is produced by a heating element. Ayun po yung electric coil, makikita niyo sa picture, which can be set to a specific temperature. So, digital na po siya. Kung hindi siya digital, pwede mo siyang parang dial po siya na iikot-ikutin mo lang kung anong temperature na gusto mo siyang iset at meron po siyang specific time kung sa paano mo siya lutuin, kung gaano siya katagal na maluluto. And syempre, with the help of this hot air technology, ayun, paulit-ulit niya pong ini-explain dito na with the fan and the coil na mga devices na present sa loob po ng technology na ito, it can create a crispy exterior. So malutong po, crispy po yung sa labas ng pagkain, pero at the same time, hindi siya sunog pero cooked or lutong-luto naman po yung sa loob ng pagkain. So tingnan naman natin yung benefit po ng air fryer compared po sa deep frying. So air frying, it has several benefits over deep frying. It is much healthier option. Air frying uses little or no oil. Pwede kayong lumagay po na mag-spray lang kayo po ng konting oil or kung pwede wala namang oil, okay na okay po yan. Which means that the food cooked in an air fryer is lower in calories and fats. So mababa po yung kanyang calories at kanyang fats dahil wala po siyang little oil lang po yung ginamit. Compared to deep frying, mas lower ang risk niyo po na magkakaroon po kayo ng oil burns at fire if you are using air fryers. And of course, more convenient option po ito dahil konti lang po yung iyong hugasan or yung lilinisan at very compact po siya at very, very low maintenance lang po talaga itong mga air fryers na ito. And it is relatively quick, cooking food in a fraction of the time it takes to deep fry. So mas mabilis po itong makapag-prepare ng food compared na ikaw po ay mag-deep fry pa. And let's try to look at the differences between an air-fried and a deep-fried na mga pagkain based upon their nutritional facts. Unahin muna natin ang French fries. Pag na-air-fry po yung French fries, 120 calories lang po siya, 2 grams of fats and 25 grams of carbs. Pero sa deep-fried naman po ay 200 calories talaga. 10 grams fats and 25 grams carbohydrates. Kung makikita niyo po mga masters, no? 80 calories talaga yung difference niya and 8 grams of fats ang kanilang difference. And sa chicken wings naman is 140 calories. Sa kabila naman is 220 calories. O malaki yung kanyang difference, di ba? 80 calories talaga. 3 grams of fats naman po sa air fried. At sa kabila naman po sa deep fried is 12 grams. And then, pareho po silang 10 grams na protein. And check natin yung donuts. So, 150. Sa kabila naman is 250. So, 100 calories talaga pag na-air fry ang iyong mawawala, ang iyong masisave. And then, 2 grams of fats lang po siya, ang donuts sa air fried. And 15 grams talaga pag ito po ay na-deep fry. So, pareho din sila pong 30 grams of carbohydrates. As you can see, air fried foods are significantly lower in calories and fats than their deep-fried counterparts. To get the most health benefits from air frying, follow these steps or these tips. Use a small amount of oil. Konti lang yung oil na gamitin nyo or pwede wala naman ng oil, di ba? While air fryer uses little or no oil, adding a small amount of oil can help enhance the flavor and texture of the food. So mag-google din po kayo mga masters in order for you to choose the right temperature. So cooking food at too high temperature can lead to a formation of unhealthy compounds. Na-discuss na po natin yan kanina. Choose a temperature that's suitable for the type of food you're cooking. So, i-google niyo po siya kung ano po yung mga suitable temperature para po, halimbawa, kung maluto kayo ng karne or ng manok, may specific time po yan kung ilang oras at ilang yung temperature po dyan. Always remember, don't overcook. Because overcooking can lead to formation of unhealthy compounds and a loss of nutrients. Cook food until it's crispy and golden brown, but make sure it's still tender. Hindi po siya matigas at hindi siya parang bato. Tandaan po natin that air frying can still produce unhealthy compounds such as acrylamide if the food is cooked at too high temperature. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dyan mga masters sa pagsama po sa akin. Although late na naman po tayo nag-premiere sa ating regular time kasi ngayon po ay nag-e-edit na talaga si master at nagre-research. Di po tulad ng dati po nung kasama pa natin yung ating G na tayo nagbibideo-video lang at nagsasalita. Ngayon po ay meron na po talaga akong visual aids at nagre-research talaga ako para mas maganda po yung pag-present natin. Of course, we always aim for the best. And thank you so much for the love and support sa ating channel, Master Worm. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. God is great. Yahoo!